Good evening and welcome to the Story Talks episode number 11. Our question for today is, how can managers use storytelling in their presentations?
Fact, corporate world, whether they are managers or executive, everybody is giving presentations all the time, and storytelling in presentations can make it very interesting for the audience, memorable, as well as even enjoyable for the presenter. So what are the things which you should keep in mind to give a story touch to your presentation? Use the art of narrative. So let me share a few points. So first thing which you should do is create a storyboard. So storyboard is the sequence of events which you are going to show in your presentation as a story. Second point which you should remember is data plus visual plus narrative is equal to powerful story. So you have to use the right data, the the right visuals. You can use data visuals also, and the right narrative to package it into a powerful story. Third thing which I would say is no risk, no glory, no struggle, no story. So there has to be some struggle, tension which has to come out in your story. Whether that tension is, will the sales executive or team be able to meet the sales targets, depending upon your, function, your department. So bring out that struggle and tension in your story. Remember that audience is telling you silently, don't tell me who you are. Weave your character in your story. So instead of telling about your organization, when you are giving presentations externally specifically, so you can weave your organization's character as part of the story. Remember that audience is always wondering, am I a part of your story? Everyone feels to be a part of, we all as humans, we all have this sense of seeking a sense of belonging. So audience is also wondering, am I a part of this story? So try to, if you know that, okay, my audience is the top management, my audience is the junior management, my audience is the fresh MBAs, can I take some characteristics of my audience and, create a character which is similar to our audience. Next point which I would share is a very interesting point actually. Someone told me almost 20 years ago, India adds one Australia to its population every year. Now, had that same person told me India adds 2.5 crore or 2.6 crore population every year, I would have easily forgotten that data. It would not have touched me emotionally deeply, and I would have, forgotten everything. But even after 20 years, that statement that India adds one Australia to its population every year still, makes me realize the seriousness of the population problem in our country. Australia is a bigger country than India. Australia has a population of 2.5 crores and we add, 2.5 crores every year. So that statement, is actually uses the power of story. So I think these are the points, which will make your presentation have a story touch. Don't try to convert your presentation into a story every time. It may not be possible. Sometimes you can, give it a story touch. Sometimes you can convert it into a story if possible. If there is a plot, if there is climax, anti-climax, or if there is, that tension, that struggle. If you can give it a proper story, then it is fine. Otherwise, give it a story touch. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.